Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing new features around how you manage all the forms on your Spark site. Now, I'm sure most of you are watching this video, you're already familiar with our AF Lead Forms tool and how easy it is to implement those forms using our templates. But based off of all of your feedback, the number one request we received was giving you the ability to go past those templates and be able to easily create custom forms on your website. Now, I'm excited to share with you today that that is a possibility. So what I'm going to do is share my screen now and walk you through exactly what has changed. So as you can see here, I've logged into my Spark site and I'm editing one of my pages. And for the purpose of this example, I'm going to be using the AF Lead Forms to set up a form that allows people to opt in to grab some advice from me over a cup of coffee. Now, as you can see here, I'm just using one of our standard templates, which is a contact form. It's very easy to use and set up, but as you can see, it's not quite dialed in for this specific action. And really what I want is the ability to maybe have a date and time picker, maybe a location drop down where I can put the various locations that we can meet for coffee. Really, I'm just lacking the flexibility I need to get the results that I'm looking for from this particular page. So instead of a pre-built form, what you can now do is select a custom option. Now, for the purpose of this example, again, what I've done is I've already started to create this form here. So now when I go down to the form settings, you can see all of these custom fields that I've added to this page. I've created one for the full name. I've added one for email, phone number, the time and date, as well as a custom drop down for all the different locations that we can have that cup of coffee. So how easy it is to add in these fields and style them? Well, as you can see here, when you want to add a field, you just simply click on this button. You can give that field a name so that you understand what data is which. So this one, I'll just title message. And then you can now select the field type. So in this drop down here, we have a variety of styles of field type like text, email, phone number, even something like a checkbox. So for this field in particular, I'm going to select a text area. And you can also enable things like if it's required or not. You can add a label to it or a placeholder text. So for instance, I can add a label that says message, and I can add in some placeholder text like what would you like to chat about? So again, really simple to now take our AF Lead Forms tool and set it up in a way that better suits the actions that you're creating on your pages, posts, or even like a tool like Engage, for instance. So when it comes to these new fields, you'll also see that you have the column width option as well. So by default, it's set to 100% like you see here, but you can also do things like set up 3 column field layouts as well by simply adjusting the drop down on that field to that percentage. So you see here, it has that set to 33% on the date, time, and location fields. And also you see here, I have a 60-40 split, again, selecting 40% and 60% on those fields. Really simple to do, and these are already all responsive. So as you break them down to all these various device sizes, it's going to align those fields perfectly based off of what someone's viewing it on. Now, in addition to the new custom options, you will see that we've rearranged some of the settings here. So in the lead form dropdown, you select the form type. In the form settings, you can select the various settings that you want for the pre-built form or the custom form that you're working with. You also have some appearance settings here, so you can see that I've adjusted the border and the colors of the particular fields on this form. And then you also have a rearranged notifications drop down where we've now added all of the lead tags and team member assign within that drop down there. So as you can see with these changes, what we wanted to accomplish was giving you the ability to break past those templated forms and create custom ones without adding any new complexity or having you rely on clunky third-party tools like Gravity Forms. Now, that's it for today's update. I'm really excited to see how you guys utilize this new feature. Of course, if you need any assistance, feel free to reach out to us in support. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.